Okay, so far with compound figures, we found out how to break them down. So finding the smaller shapes within the composite figure. We've talked about perimeter and area. And so the last thing we're going to talk about with composite figures is if you're going to remove an area. So in this example right here, I have two rectangles, but this space, like I cut that part out and I took it away. So we're finding the shaded regions. Okay? So it's not too bad. It's just kind of like finding area of 2D shapes and then adding and subtracting. So our first step is we're going to find the area of both shapes. And I like to either highlight each shape I'm working with and give it a name. So like this one is going to be called the large rectangle. Okay, and its area is the base times the height. Okay, the base is 12, the height is 10. So its area is 120. Then let's find the area of this smaller rectangle. So we're going to call it the small rectangle. Pretty straightforward. Its area is also the base times the height. So 7 times 2. Its area is 14. Okay, so once I found the area of each shape, I'm going to get a smaller eraser real quick. So I want to find the area of this region that's shaded in gray. So all of these parts in between, so what's left after I take out that smaller rectangle. So to find the area, I'm going to subtract the large rectangle minus the small rectangle. Okay, so the area of my large rectangle was 120 minus the area of my small rectangle was 14. Okay, and that is 106 square meters. Okay, so that's it for that guy. Let's try another one. So here we have a rectangle with two circles, and the circles are the same size, and those are taken out. And so we want to find what's left that's shaded in gray. So I'm going to start with the area of this outer rectangle. And that area is the base times the height, which is 30 times 43, which is 1,290. Then I'm going to find the area of the circles. And I just need to do one since they are the same. That's pi times the radius squared. That's pi times 10 squared, which is 3.14 times 10 times 10, which is 314. Okay, and then for the shaded region, I'm going to take that bigger shape, the rectangle, minus the circle, minus the circle, because there's two circles in there. So my area is 1,290 for the rectangle minus 314 for one circle and 314 for another circle. which gives me 662 square meters. Okay. So here's your practice choices. Okay. I think I changed it to 5 problems. So you can see here that there's some squares, rectangles, triangles mixed together. Okay. If you choose choice 2, if you choose that guy, make sure you screenshot your progress or your score at the end of the activity, and then you upload that to Google Classroom. You do not need to do both, okay? If you choose the Google form, you do not need to post anything to that assignment on Google Classroom. It'll send it to me, okay? As always, email me or let me know if you have any questions.